Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand what if analysis, also known as a scenario analysis in Excel. What if analysis, sometimes referred to as a scenario analysis, is method used in business, finance, engineering, and various other fields to explore potential outcomes by changing different variables or assumptions in a given situation or model. The primary purpose is to understand how these changes might affect the end results or outcomes. The first thing in this scenario analysis is to identify the variables. This analysis begins by identifying key variables or factors that influence a particular situation, decision, or a model. This could include sales figure, cost, market conditions, interest rates. Creating scenarios. Once the variables are identified, different scenarios are developed by adjusting these variables one at a time or in a combination to simulate various potential situations or outcomes. For instance, in financial planning, scenarios might involve change in sales volume, market demand, production cost, etc. Analyzing the outcomes. By running these scenarios, analysts or decision makers can observe the potential outcomes or results under each condition. This helps in understanding the range of possibilities and their implications. The insights gained from the various scenarios allow decision makers to make more informed choices or plans. They can weigh the risk, benefits, and consequences associated with different scenarios and make decisions accordingly. Now, how we can do this? Let's see in Excel. So, in this data set, we are having a price, quantity sold, total revenue, transportation cost, item cost, total cost. When we deduct all this cost from this revenue, we get the profit. Now we want to develop different scenarios. So for this, we will go in data. We will click on what if analysis scenario manager. Let me delete all of them first. Okay. The profit can be increased or decreased based on the quantities sold. So we want to develop the scenarios based on the quantity. We'll start adding the scenarios. Add. We'll have to name the scenario, and that is the optimistic scenario, in which we consider that, say for example, 200 quantities are sold. So by changing the cells, click OK. So what is the optimistic number or optimistic quantity which you think can be sold? 200. Add another scenario, a moderate scenario. Again, click here, B2, click OK. What is a moderate scenario? 100. Add. Third scenario, pessimistic. By changing the cells, B2, click OK. So in pessimistic, what is the quantity? Let's say 50. So optimistic 200, moderate 100, pessimistic 50. Click OK. Now just see, when the cursor is on optimistic, what is the profit? Moderate. So pessimistic. So optimistic scenario, moderate, and pessimistic. Now all these scenarios you can also get in one sheet by just pressing here summary and click OK. So you can see scenario summary. In optimistic scenario, your profit can be this much. In moderate and in pessimistic, this much. So this was all about scenario analysis, also known as what if analysis in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.